It's time for another gardening update.
Hey guys, welcome back. It's Saturday, time for the Saturday garden collaboration, and I will be advertising the participants channel in the beginning of the video. Please go and check their channels and content out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications, thumbs up, leave comments, play their playlists. Full support. Thank you very much. And if you want to join this collaboration, just use the hashtag and you will have the same blessings and opportunities as the rest. Your videos will be on the playlist. Whenever someone hits that hashtag, they will be taken to the playlist, and you can see all the participants' videos, past participants and present participants' contents about their garden. And today I'm sharing with you my lush bell pepper plant. This is amazing. The blooms on there are so white, the leaves are so big. I believe I might have some big old healthy peppers on here. I'm loving it. I can't wait. Last time I think I shared, there was only one flower on there. Now it's two. They're really nice and white, bright, like something's healthy going on. I notice every time it's in a cooler environment, the leaves just perk up. I guess this plant don't like too much of the harsh, bright sun. It might like light, but it don't like that bright, harsh heat. The stalk is thick and all that going on. I shared with y'all about my little bell pepper plant. Hold on, let me share it again. Not bell pepper plant, my rosemary seeds I planted, and I have some development. Hold on. See, there is the proof. Rosemary seed development, a plant grown from seed, surviving. Yes, it is. Time will tell if it survives. Okay, also I have to harvest the serrano peppers. Doing okay. I have a new plant growing in my ooh, shit, where'd it go? I'm trying to show you my sock. Oh, oops. Well, I had a new plant growing in my, I'm all over the place, in my sage plant there. It's in there somewhere. The marjoram is perking up. That's the oregano. I have to put more seeds in time. Parsley doing good. Tarragon. The dill is beautiful. I'm about to harvest some. That's the jalapeno peppers and the garlic chives. I already showed y'all I harvested the cherry tomatoes and a bell pepper. I have to come back and do an update about the bell pepper plant that I refreshed the soil. You want to call it amended. I refreshed all that. And that's what's up. Things are perked up and looking good. Doing okay for now. Until next time I come back and do another update. That's the basil plant. But yeah, I'm gonna harvest me some dill for my chicken. That's it. That's all, you guys. Just coming through to share. My little guy. Don't forget to check out my Thursday garden collaboration. You want to hear about what's going on that side when I talk about the garden. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. Until next week, happy gardening.
I'll see you on the next one.